Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today, my wife asked me, can I make some liver adobo? You know, liver is good for low iron and everything. So today, this is my first time doing some liver adobo in the Power XL. So what I did, because you know, liver swells up and everything. So while it was frozen, what I did, I just cut it while it was frozen. So it'd be nice cut. As you see, it's nice cuts and small and everything. Cut it up nice and small, and I just cut all this up while it was frozen, so that way it'll be nice and good. So today my ingredients are a little soy sauce. I'm using a half a cup of soy sauce, uh, half a teaspoon of vinegar, 3/4 of an onion, and 3 garlic cloves. And I'm using half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and we're gonna get started. For all my first time viewers, if you're wondering if I'm gonna do it with the top on, no, I'm not. The top is easy. That's all you do is 1, 2, and the top is off. So I'll be using a different cover. So I'm gonna put all this to the side and I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this Power XL on Sauté, and I'm gonna set the temperature for, I'm gonna set it for 375. 375. And I'm gonna set the minutes for, it's gonna take a while. I might not use it all, but I'm gonna just set it for 145, and I'm gonna press start. Set it for 145, and I'm gonna let that just get a little bit warm. So I'm gonna just put a little Western on that while everything's heating up and everything. Do the saute with, get it nice and warm, so I can just saute right good, just like that. Let it heat up. Okay, this is heating up pretty nice and good. I'm gonna put my onions in and see how it come out, and I'll be putting the camera closer so you can see. Put my onions in there, and then I'll be putting my garlic. So what I did, I put my camera closer and everything so you get an idea how it's doing. These onions is doing fine. Let them get just a little more brown. As you see, they get nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my liver in there, just like that. Just mix it up. And it get nice and good. Like I say, this right here is going to be good. It help you if you have low iron. So this right here is perfect for it. Build your iron up. As you see, it's cooking nice and good. I slice it up nice and good pieces and everything. So I'm gonna put the top on it for a little while. Put the lid on it and let it just cook like that for a minute. So I'm gonna take this top off, set it to the side. I'm gonna put my soy sauce in there, just like that. Let it cook. And this top gonna bring more juice to it, the water from the steam. And put the top on. Stir that up. It's coming out nice and good, as you see. This right here, it's gonna be delicious over some rice. So I'm gonna take this top off. Look at it. Coming out good. Let it cook a few more minutes. Okay, it's 1:26, so this has only been like 15 minutes and this right here is done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, that's cooking with the bells. We did it again. And this right here is your liver adobo. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna taste a little bit and see how it tastes and everything. Put it over this rice. Give me a nice piece of it. This right here is our first time doing the adobo and everything. Give me a little of the juice and put on there. And just taste that. Just like that. See how it come out. Mmm. That is good. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.